Hey guys, welcome. Today I start a new series, a little series regarding some glitches. So this will be part 1 and this will be a glitch reason number 1. So I thought, because I learn Blender and so on, and here and there I come across some glitches and problems. In this case, this one here, what you see, that's basically a glitch. And I know what is causing it, or causing, not cursing, causing it. And so I think maybe it's a good idea to create a little series. You know, every time I encounter a problem, I record that, and then I will show how to solve the problem, you know. So first of all, this is the glitch, but I thought it's easier to understand in a simple way. So we're gonna fix this one, but to show it, to show you the problem or the cause, I actually created here a little cube, and we're gonna take a look. It's even better visible in here, right? So you can see the same glitch is basically here on this little cube, and if we take a look, we can see this is a basic simple cube, only just cut in half, and used a mirror modifier. So that's all. In this case, the Y modifier, but it doesn't really matter which direction. And that's we're gonna also take a look at how he is structured, and you can maybe already see what the problem is. So how do we create this problem? This is step 1. I would say we are going to get a new cube, and we're gonna put them here, selection to active. Yeah, so this guy we're gonna put aside. So let's focus only on the new cube, on this one here. Let's shrink it down because the size in this case doesn't matter. Okay, so right now it's fine. There's a little bit of lightning reflecting, but this doesn't, it's not a glitch, you know, this is a different reason. So let's say we're gonna cut this thing in half, right? So far so good. This is not a problem, I guess. So here is the half. We're gonna select the half of the cube, delete the faces. Now we wanna use a mirror modifier for the cube, so let's do that too. And the Y axis in this case. So far so good, nothing happened, right? Now we apply this shade smooth, and still looks fine. But if we do now use this little insert faces thing, and we scale it down just a little, and we leave it like that, you can already see that here is a glitch. And you know, in this case you might think this is easy to solve and so on. It's not that complicated, but it can be, depending on when it's, you know, if it does look different to the cube or more complex, it's a little bit hard to understand what's going on here. So I figured out to solve this problem is basically we need to make this straight here and there, you know. For that reason, I would say we're gonna select the middle line here, and then we're gonna right click and say subdivide it twice. So now we have 2 additional vertices here and this one. What we're gonna do is we are selecting this guy, go to transfer, and we need the position of the vertex. In this case, the position is the X position. If we change that, you can see this is where it's gone. We need only the value, so this one we're gonna copy by Control and C, or right click. And does this work actually? Right click and copy? I don't know. Anyway, we select that and we copy it by Control and C. And now we're gonna select this guy here and say we're gonna paste the value here in and say enter or return. Now he is in the same site. The same thing we can do in this case, selecting the X axis, copy the value, selecting this guy, pasting it in, and applying that if you want by pressing enter or return. And now we need to actually, this we should do in here, it's better visible. Oh yeah, this is actually even better. Guys, I'm not a pro, so you know, keep that in mind. So in this case, we can even see the glitch better. Yeah, this would have been better, I guess. Anyway, so we're gonna we need to now only press X. So we selected the face. We're gonna press X, and we say we're gonna delete only faces, I believe. Let's see if this works. And press 1, so we need to be in the vertex group here. Okay, now it looks good. I mean, not that well, but kinda. So now we're gonna connect those guys here and there, and fill this with F, right? I'm gonna do it slow again, connecting this guy and connecting that guy, F. And now we select everything and fill this up. So now that's filled, and now we're gonna select those guys, only those guys here. Very easy, and fill this up. And if we go out now, you can see the glitch disappeared. So this is basically the problem. It only happens, and that's why I thought it's a good idea to record that. It only happens actually when you smooth the cube, you know? Otherwise you don't see the glitch. So right now, in my case, it's gone. I hope if you have a bigger problem, you know, a more complex problem, then this may not work, but yeah, you know, I tried. Okay, so this worked, and I can also show you if, in this case here, this guy still has the glitch. So let's go there, we can see that better. If we just say shade flat, you see there is no problem whatsoever, right? And that's why it can be misleading. You think it's fine and so on, and then you decide, you know, let's make it smooth because you know you like it better or whatever reason, and then suddenly the glitch is here, and you have no idea why that is. Basically, you just need to understand. I still also try to understand the principle of the mirror modifier in a kind of a natural way. So it's you know. You're gonna practice a little bit, and then sooner or later you get a feeling for that, you know. So this is the good way in this case. Now we're gonna fix the other thing. I had the same issue here. There's still something going on, but you know, everything is step by step. I just wanna fix it with you together. I hope this will work out. So what's the problem here? Yeah, we can see here's a little bit of a shadow. It's not that big of a deal, but you know, the better you understand Blender, the better you wanna work. So let's try to fix that. So basically, I believe we can solve the problem by creating here another vertex and doing the same thing here. For that, we need to, you know what? Let's just only focus on this thing. We're gonna hide everything else, so that's easier, right? Also, let's hide those seeds here. Seeds, cockpit seeds. So that might be better. Okay, let's yeah. Okay, right click, subdivide. We need subdivision twice, and now we can copy the value of this guy here. If you're not sure if it's X or Y, you know, just change move the things. I mean, this one here, this value we need. Just move it around, and you will see which direction is the right one. Okay, this copy, Control C, and we're gonna paste this into this vertex here. So now he is on the side, on the proper yeah thing. And the same. So sorry guys, it's a little bit was a long day, and I just wanted to create, although I'm a little bit tired because, you know, I want to continue working on my stuff. Okay, the same thing here. I digress, I apologize. Here we go. So this one, very important, selecting this face here, X, and then only faces. Because if you just delete the faces, you know, then our stuff is gone. So only faces is important in this case. So this is selected, only faces. And now we are going to connect this thing here so that we have a triangle here on those edges, right? Same thing here. I did this a little bit faster. Let's do it easier, just in case it's too fast for you. This one, this one, this one. Yeah, works too. That's also good. Okay, but you can also do it differently. You can also just do it like, this is the safer way because you can see it better. Okay, now we have, you know, a triangle. We select everything, fill it with F. And now we are going to select those guys here. And those guys here and fill it, and let's see if the glitch is gone. I would say yeah, it's disappeared. Although I kind of see it still here, but this is a different thing. I just think that this has something to do with something else, but it looked worse. Yeah, so let's unhide everything. Could also just be the lightning right now. Yeah, I just wanna get my seats back. Yeah, that's basically it. We are done, guys. I just wanna find my seats here again. Okay. So yeah, that looks better. I mean, here's still some stuff going on, you know, but this is a different thing because I'm still working on it. Okay, that's about it. This is part 1. I'm going to create a playlist, but it may take a while until the next until I encounter the next glitch and I can also solve it. So yeah, you know. And that's the idea. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it was helpful. I hope it aided you. I hope it was helpful. I hope it was helpful. Have a nice day. Good luck with your stuff. Bye bye and auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen is a German goodbye.